Hello, sir. Today I am going to present my trimester 8 project, which is based on the financial and agentic graph. So, I will explain whatever I have done in this project through my slides. So, I am sharing my screen. So, my project is FinSight, an agentic rack system for grounded equity research over SEC filings. My name is Prakar Rai and my roll number is 23050101110. So, problem and motivation. Equity analyst mine facts from 100 plus pages SEC filings, which range from 10K to 10Q, slow, manual, and error prone. So, any equity analyst, what they do, they fetch the live document, which is of more than 100 pages, from SEC filings, having 10,000 and more words, which is so the analysis become very slow, manual, and error prone. So the LLM answered fluently but failed in finance for two reasons. So the what LLM fails is for stillness, such that parametric memory lacks the latest filing. So if the data is filed in 2025 and we are searching for 2026, so the LLM will stillness in this case. And in the case of hallucination, so fabricated revenue figures and growth rate is stated confidently. So the LLM hallucinates such that he will give the answer of its own without if the document is not presented well, or if the document is not presented, he will confidently tell any other value of its own. So these are the two major factors. A fabricated number in an investment context is worse than no answer. Existing RAG stacks hide mechanics inside frameworks and never verified that the answer is actually supported by the evidence. So the goal of a research paper is a research co-pilot whose every sentence is auditable back to a live failing. The objective of our project is ingestion live such that it resolves any US ticker, latest of 10,000K and to 10Q directly from SEC, Edgar, clean sentence and aware sentence aware chunking. It should retrieve precisely such that two-stage hybrid retriever BM25 and dense embedding, reciprocal rank fusion, cross and corollary ranking. Reason agentically from scratch, React look no framework with retrieve, calculate, and load filling tools. Verify everything, per sentence ground audit, NLI entailment, literal number numeric matching. Measure and shift, self-supervised eval harness, hit at the rate K, MRR, grounding rate plus gradu way back on collab T4 in 863 line. So our entire code is written in the Python, which is of 863 lines, and it is running on collab on T4 GPU, and it is on the self-supervised eval harness. So the architecture of our system is SEC Edgar client ticker gives the latest fillings, or we upload our PDF, which break into the chunking with the help of chunking sentence aware and awareness windows, which have 1100 cars and 180 overlap. Then it breaks into PM25 sparse index and we use FAISS API key for dense index, B is equal to small. Then we reciprocally fuse rank fusion and then we convert it into cross and folder we rank top 5. And React agent thought, action, and observation in less than 6 steps. And grounding audit, NLI entailment, numerical verification, and flag review. So our generator uses the Queen 253 billion instruct 4-bit NF4, which is of 2.2 GB RAM. Every layer hand built 0 frameworks. So live data ingestion and chunking. So SEDC Edgar client from scratch, so that any ticker put the click via SEC registry. Then you use the submission API. Then after latest 10K or 10Q primary document. Polite by design, mandated user agent contract header throttled below the SEC rate cap. HTML stripped of scripts, styles, and dot tables, clean and normalized text. Why sentence aware chunking matters? Fixed width split cut sentences like total net cells increased to 391.0 billion. Separating the figure from its reference point poisons retrieval. Sentences packed into less than 1100 char windows with 180 char sentence level overlap. It results into 1150 clean chunks from two full 10K fillings. Two-stage hybrid retrieval. So why we use the hybrid retrieval? Because finance queries mix paraphrase and exact tokens. Such that if it's, the tokens is top line growth, then the revenue will increase and dense embedding will win. Then SC842, which is 94.7 billion, and here BM25 wins. So the score free fusion is BM25 unbounded, and cosine similarity is we know range from -1 to 1. So it will choose by rank, and RRFD is summation of R belongs to tens comma square 1 upon 60 plus rank R D. Cheap recall gives expensive precision. So what is this is the major headline of our project that we use the cheap recall and expensive precision is made. Fused pool less than 28 chunk re-scored by a mini LM cross encoder over query chunk pairs. Only top 5 reach the LLM, the same cascade used in production for web search. From scratch react present. So the loop we follow is thought, we give the thought, action and observation. Retrieve, focus of queries, multi of question get multiple different retrievals. Calculate AST white listed arithmetic, exact percentages and zero arithmetic hallucination. Load filling agent extend its own purpose from Edgar mid conversation. Robustness engineering rejects parse repair when the 3 billion model breaks format. Observation is the stop sequence block hallucinated tool outputs and evidence tied up with stable citation numbering and loop guard forced grounded answer after 6 steps. So example trace retrieval, we are retrieving the Apple revenue from Yahoo Finance data. Then it will retrieve the MSPT revenue. It will calculate percentage gain and then final 1 to 2 it will give its output. Ground audit, the anti-hallucination center. Every answer sentence SI is tested twice against evidence chunk is a semantic DB-BERT model we use here, V3 NLI entailment. So GSI is equal to max J, P entail, EJ gives SI, greater than tau is equal to 0.45. Numeric, every material figure in SI must appear literally in the evidence, and SI gives is the subset of ME. Entailment catches semantic fabrication, numeric matching catches digital level corruption, and LI model miss. Failing sequences are flagged in the UI with the failing criteria. Hallucination become a visible review queue, not an individual risk. Deliberatively conservative, false suspicion is cheaper than false trust in finance. So we move on our final result which we have obtained. So in the retrieval ablation that is supervised with the n is equal to 20 steps. BM25 hit that the rate gives 0.70 and MNR gives 0.52. Then only gives 0.75 and MRR gives 0.58. Hybrid RRF give 0.85 and MRR give 0.61 and RRF plus re-rank give 0.90 and MRR give 0.71. So we can say in the two cases the RRF plus re-rank wins by the factor of 0.90 and 0.71. Next we move on end-to-end system. Sentences verified 0.88. Agent detect the question 12.9. Latency a question it takes 41 seconds and peak GPU memory is approximately 5.1 GB and we used 863 line of code. So hybrid plus rank 8 15 to 20 points hit at the 5 over any single channel with dual structure, not model size job quality. And flag sentences were mostly conservative paraphrases catches, one genuine catch, a rounded figure effect on evidence. So we move to the conclusion and future hope. So we delivered a complete framework-free agentic RAG product live at the ingestion hybrid retrieval, a React agent, dual criterion grounding audit, AOL harness, Gradio app on a free T4 in x63 lines. So the key insight is in high stakes domain, a verification must be a pipeline stage, not a prompt instruction. And the future work with XBRL table aware ingestion is stronger re-ranker. BG re-ranker V2 through the same harness, streaming output human level benchmark. So thank you, and I stop here my presentation.